Hello, my lovely children. How are you all? I believe you are all fine and keeping safe as well. Today, we are continuing with our lesson on counting in tens. I believe you can remember very well how we counted in tens last week as I grouped my straws into group of what tens. I believe you can all remember. Today our topic is called counting in tens and ones. We are no longer counting in just tens. We are going to count in tens and also counting ones. Good. Now I explained to you that when we count, we group 10 sets of straws or objects. We call it tens. So today we are going to count in ones. Count in ones. And add it up to the tens. So today we are doing what? Say it after me. Tens and ones. Again, tens and ones. Good. Last week, I remember vividly, I told you that if we are counting in ones, this is how to do it. You pick one by one, by one, and by one. And when you are counting in twos, you pick two by two, by twos, by twos, and by twos. When we are counting in threes, we pick three by three, by three, so forth. So now today we are counting in tens and ones. This one over here has been tied already. It is 10 pieces of straws that I've put together, and I call it tens or 10. Two of them is called two tens. So two ten is equal to what? 20. Three tens is equal to 30. Four tens is equal to what? 40. Now this one ten over here, I want to count in ones and add up to the 10. So this is 1. If I add this 1 to this 10, because this is tenths and this is 1, the two together give me what? That is why we are here today. Tens adding up to ones to give us a number. When you add 1 to a 10, you get 11. Now when you add two ones to a 10, you get 12. You add three ones, these are three ones, single ones, 3. If you add it to a 10, you get what? 13. If you add, how many ones are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones to a 10, you get 17. If you add 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to a 10, you get 18. If you add 9 ones to a 10, you get 19. What I want you to understand is that this 10 is there. It is 10 sets of straws, or 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 10 single straws that I've put together to get this, what I'm calling 10. And these ones are single ones. And if we are picking it one after the other, after the other, after the other, one by one, we call it ones. If you are picking them one by one, we call it what? Ones. If you are picking them two by two, we call it twos. But today, we are picking them one by one. So 110 plus 1 is equal to 11. 110 and 2 is equal to 12. 110 and 3 equal to 13. 110 and 4 is equal to 14. 110 and 5 is equal to 15. 110 and 6 is equal to 16. 110 and 7 is equal to 17. 110 and 8 is equal to 18. 110 and 9 is equal to 19. Immediately I add 1 to this 9. 1 9 is over here. It becomes a 10. It becomes a 10. So now I have two tens. Two tens. And two tens are equal to 20. Okay, so now we have two tens which is equal to 20. If I add 1, 1, 1 to it, we'll get what? 21. 1, 1 again to this one, making 2, will give us 22. So you continue up to you get another 10, then it becomes 30. So that is how we count in tens and ones. Thank you very much for listening and learning. Bye bye.